Hey, this is Justin Monk with Intermountain Wind and Solar. Thanks for following along. If you've been following us for long, you've seen us do other Tesla Powerwall giveaways. We're wrapping up number 6. I think this is the 6th giveaway. So today we're actually going to do the drawing. I'm going to walk you through that process and we'll announce the winner. Okay, so what we've done, we're in my home office here. We have taken all the entries and we have randomly selected 16. So the way you were able to enter was either by signing up for a solar system between April 1st and May 15th, or by submitting a referral that actually met with us. And the sooner you did it, the more entries you got. If you did it early on, you got 3, middle of the road, you got 2 entries, and if you did it towards the end of the timeline, you got 1 entry. We've taken that, we've allocated everybody however many entries they earned. We've taken Excel, we've used that to select 16 different names as kind of our finalists. Okay, so we've got everything set. We've got the 16 names in the hat. We are going to draw 2 names, just in case the first name, for whatever reason, is not capable or not compatible with their home, whatever might happen. So we're gonna draw a runner-up, I guess, just in case. So we'll go ahead and do that. Get it stirred up really good here. And we will draw the number 1 winner first, and then the runner-up. Right there. We've got Brian Donnell. Okay. And the backup, or the second runner-up, I guess. Do another one here. Got that one. We've got Wilford Bueller as our runner-up. So Brian, congratulations. We will be contacting you shortly.